welcome to a new video from Maatwielen, my wheel building company in the Netherlands. I know from experience that the world of DT Swiss end caps can be rather confusing. Customers regularly contact me to ask me whether a particular hub conversion is possible. For example, converting a true axle hub to a quick release hub and vice versa. Or they ask me for a particular product code. Over the years, I've learned how to effectively use the site of DT Swiss to find the right end caps or body. Based on 5 common situations, I'm going to show you how you can effectively use the site of DT Swiss to find what you need or want to know. So we are now going to the site of DT Swiss to find out if this conversion is possible and to see what the product codes are. Here we are on the site of DT Swiss. We go here on the right top to support. We choose product support, then we scroll down and choose product filter, and here we have to choose all the product characteristics of our hub. So we have a road hub, the model is a 240 hub. We have a straight pull hub. The axle system is 12 mm. It's 12 mm true axle, building dimension 42, brake interface. Disc center lock. We have a Shimano road body. We have only one option here. This doesn't have much relevance. Number of holes 24, 28, doesn't matter. Model year, just one option, so choose that one. Show products. Now often you'll find that there is more than one result. You can ignore that, just click on one product, because the conversion possibilities will be the same for all the products shown. So even if there are 10 products here, the conversion possibilities will be the same. So click on a product, scroll down, and here you can see conversion. Click on conversion, and here are listed all the conversion possibilities. So we wanted to convert our hub to quick release with an inbuilt dimension of 145 millimeters and the switch to XDR body. So we scroll down, and here we find that this is possible, so the conversion is possible, and here we find the items that we need with the DT Swiss product codes. Now you'll notice that these 2 caps are identical. If you order this hub, included will be this cap, but you also need the cap on the other side. So this is the cap on the body side, this is the cap on the brake side. So when you order both products, you will have one extra end cap on the body side. Now, if you want to order this product, for example, you can just copy this code and search with it on the internet, and here you can order this product. It often pays to shop around a bit to find the best price. Now, I've noticed one thing when preparing for this video, and that is that there's an inconsistency, because when we go back here and instead of straight pull we select classic, and we now go to the conversion possibilities, you will see that only the body with this cap is shown, and not the other cap on the other side that you also need. So please bear in mind that the site is not perfect. I also noticed that the site doesn't allow to search for conversion possibilities for all the model 240 hubs. So for example, if you have a hub from 2019, you can't look for conversion possibilities in this way. So we are again on the site of DT Swiss. We click on support, product support. We click on product filter, product type, it's an MTB hub, so we choose hubs MTB. The model is a 350 hub. It's a classic hub. The axle system is 15mm through axle. Built-in dimension 100. Brake interface is 6-bolt. It is a front hub, but it doesn't have a cassette, and it doesn't have a free hub either. Number of holes, let's say 28, doesn't matter. Model year 2025. Show products. Choose one product. So we wanted to convert this hub to true axle 12mm hub with the same built-in dimension as built-in dimension of 100mm. So we go to conversion, and we see here we have found the right end caps. So yes, it's possible to convert this hub, and the product code is here. So let's see if the conversion is possible in situation 3. We go to support, product support. We go to product filter. We choose the kind of hub we have. We have a MTB hub, model 350. Product, it's a classic hub. Axle system is 12. True axle. Built-in dimension 142. Brake interface 6-bolt. Cassette Shimano. Free hub system. Yeah, I would like to advise you to ignore this. So just don't select anything here. It's only confusing. Number of holes doesn't matter, 28 or 32, model year, up to 2025. Show the products. Scroll down. So we want to convert this up to a built-in dimension of 148. And when we look here, it isn't listed. So this conversion is not possible. Now when we go back for a moment, and here product details, if we fill in up to 2021, it doesn't change anything. You can see it's a different. It's an old model 350. You go to conversion, it isn't listed here. 148 built-in dimension. So this conversion is not possible. So we're back on the side of DT Swiss for situation 4. Product support, product filter, Hubs Road, model 350, classic hub, 12mm axle, 142 built-in dimension, center lock, cassette Shimano. Free up system, you can ignore this. You can ignore this in all 5 situations, so don't select anything here. Number of holes. Yeah, you have to take into account that the 32 version of this hub, if we select 32 here, you will only see the models up to 2021, because only these models had a 32 hole version. So if we select 28 here, you can see here both the models up to 2021 and the model up to 2025. For the conversion, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you select 32 here and up to 2021, or you select 28 here and 2025 here. For the conversion possibilities, it doesn't matter. So here we click on the product, we scroll down to conversion, and so we wanted to convert this hub to a Campagnolo N3W body, and we can see it here. So yes, this conversion is possible, and you can search with this code on the internet to find a place where you can buy it. So for the last situation, we are again on the side of DT Swiss. We select support, product support, product filter, choose the hub, it's MTB hub, model 350, product classic, axle system 15, building dimension 110, big interface, no, big interface 6 volt, it's front hub, so you don't have to fill anything in here. Select number of holes, let's say 28. Model year, select one, doesn't matter for the conversion possibilities. Show product, so we want to convert this hub to through axle 12mm with the same built-in dimensions. So built-in dimension of 110. So we go scroll down, go to conversion, and we see here 12mm through axle with 110 built-in dimension. So here we have the right end caps and the product code. So yes, this conversion is possible. If you want to change something, for example, the axle of your hub or the bearing or other parts of other components of your hub, you can find them here. So for example, if you need the spacer, this spacer sits between the bearings of the front hub, you can select the product code, go onto the internet and search with this code. Let's try it. So here you can buy this spacer. I hope that with the help of this video you will now be able to find conversion possibilities for your DT Swiss hub, and that you will be able to perform the conversion yourself. This is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you at the next video or live stream.